What is the difference between an amateur AI clip and a high-end cinematic scene? It's not the action on screen, it is the visual texture of the frame. In Google Flow, style dictates your aesthetic texture. It tells the AI what to render, like rendering a glossy 35mm film or a tactile claymation universe. But here is the secret. You must pair your style with the right camera movement. Use a handheld tracking shot to show off raw 16mm film grain. Or use a locked-off static shot to let tactile claymation stand out. Ready to command the canvas? Here are 20 incredible style and motion prompts to try today.
Architectural visualization style.
Vintage 16mm style. Claymation style.
Cyberpunk neon style.
Film noir style. CGI fantasy style.
Hand-drawn style.
Studio Ghibli style. Cinematic 4K style.
Knitted animation style.
Comic book style.
Picture book style.
Low-fidelity glitch style.
'90s VHS style.
'3D cartoon style. Anamorphic widescreen style.
Vintage Technicolor style. Watercolor style.
35mm film style.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit like and subscribe for more tips.